Congratulations, you signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into the renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today, it's for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation courses for you. All right, let's go. It's James Woods, aka that yoga dude with Feel Free, don't feel free. Yesterday, day 5 was all about strength and endurance. Today is all about stress relief and relaxation. Day 6 is day you don't feel like getting out the bed, you don't feel like doing your whole yoga routine. You know it's going to be best for you, but you just don't feel like doing it. So we're going to get to some stretches, some postures, and of course the breath that help us to relieve some stress and relax into our day 6 and beyond. Good. We're going to start here in the almighty powerful Savasana pose. Yep, this is a yoga pose right now. Hand flat on your back, just breathe. So all I want you to do is let the feet fall apart from each other. Let the back of the legs relax on the back of the ground. The lower back, the butt, upper back, shoulders, relax. The front of the body, face, neck, chest, arms, hands, stomach, hips, knees, legs, toes, all relax. Let's take 10 deep inhales here to just let ourselves melt into the back of the ground, the cart of the chair, wherever you are. Stay with me for 10. Stay with your own breath for 9. You got it. Relax on the 9. 8. The 7 is calm. The 6 is peace. 5. 4. 3. 2, 1. Awesome, awesome. If you want to be more relaxed in that position, you can pick a poster, one of these things, a pillow, a blanket, and just put it right there over your hips, on below your belly, and just let the body melt even more into the mat that they wear. Inhale and exhale. Good. From here, we're going to still get the body moving. I want to just bend the knees gently and slowly start to move left and right with the knees. So the feet stay exactly where they are, and I just windshield wiper the knees back and forth, loosening the back, the legs, and turn away from where your knees go so we can start to open up the entire spine. Nice. And then bring the feet close to each other. And then once again, you can use a bolster and you can use a block. Wherever, stick those right along the side of the hips and let the knees just fall apart. You see, not going too far, ouch, because I have the hips there and this is just stretching and opening here. Allowing the body to relax. Relaxing the shoulders. Being gentle with yourself. Good. Start to pick up the legs. Slowly, gently. Bending the knees towards the chest, one after the other. And then go ahead and bring the right foot up into the sky and gently let it drop down. Like you walking on the ceiling or sunshine. Cause I'm walking on sunshine. And it feels good. Roll the knees back, forth, left and right once again. Good, good, good. Roll the head left and right, back and forth. Nice. Slowly roll over to your left side. I want you to come into a little fetal position. Just take a second to be relaxed. All the stress just melt off you. Good. Slowly coming up. Easy seated position. Good. Let's say crisscross. Nice. Let's hop over to you. Place the hand into the legs. Relax the shoulders. By inhale, roll it up. Exhale, drop it back down. Inhale, let it roll up. Exhale, let it drop back. Inhale. Good. Exhale. Good. And rock back and forth, left and right. Still just relaxingly. Letting the body open up and breathe. I'm going to slowly roll the body. Yep. I'm going to bring my right shoulder towards my right knee and drop it down and around. Oh, you feel that hips in the back. Moving. I like to move it. Oh, nice, slow and gently. One more in this direction. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bring that left shoulder down. Circle around. Down and around. Give the head involved. Relax the jaw. Don't clenching the body. Oh, feel relaxed. Good. Still nice tall. Bring the hands up. And then exhale, drop them down. Inhale. Exhale. Good. I'm going to slowly come over to my belly. Ooh. Come head. I'll look at you. Bring your hands into a little pillow right here. Both your hands and lay your head down, facing towards your left. And then I'm going to bend my knees. And then once again, lower back, I'm just going to drop my knees from left to right. Oh, I should feel like a party right there. Lower back. Legs, just relax and drop that line. Good. I'm going to bend my left knee as close as I can towards my butt and extending them. And then in the right, extend. Relax. Then you want to turn the head to the other direction. Stretch the neck. Bend the knees. Possibly turn one side, the legs and feet. And then the other. Good. Drop the legs. Ooh, coming to our Sphinx pose. I'm just going to come up to my elbows, my forearms. Good. Relax, touch your feet. Dropping the shoulders, pulling the chest up, pulling the upper body up. With that stretch down knee. Oh. And slow down that. Good. So I hope you feel a little more relaxed, released, and that stress is just went out the window. Oh. You curl your way back up to seated position or lay there, whatever. Lay here. Feels good for you. Thank you for joining me on this relaxing days 7, 6. I forgot I'm so relaxed. You know what day is. If not, go ahead and drop in the comment what today is and what you got for this day. I thank you so much. As always, feel free to feel free. And namaste. Peace, y'all.